Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to play a chromatic scale and how to use it in a break. First of all, let's talk about the chromatic scale. When we play chromatic scale, we play all of the notes, all 12 notes, so 7 natural notes and 5 sharps. And we play all of them and we go from any note, for example, from A to the next A. And we play all of the notes, so A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. And the second A is one octave higher than the first A. So let's play this in the key of G, for example. And let's say we take the open G string here. And now we want to play all of the notes up to the next G. So we play G sharp, first fret, and then second fret, A, third fret, A sharp, and then after A sharp we have B, and we can play the open B string here. So second string open, B, and then first fret, second string C, C sharp, and D, and then D sharp, and then we have E, and again we can play the open E string, and then we play F sharp, and G again. So you see, we play all of the notes. And now you want to memorize that fingering. I think this is an easy fingering to memorize in this case. Well, look, we play the open string and then 1, 2, 3. Open string 1, 2, 3, 4. Open string 1, 2, 3. And this is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, so it's 1.5 bar long, and this is the perfect length for the ending lick. You know, the ending lick usually it's made of 2 phrases, and both phrases are 1.5 bar long, and it's called, usually we can say it's a call and response, like this, for example. In this type of ending, I played 2 phrases. The first one, this is call, and it's 1.5 bar long. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, and then the response. Okay, now we use the chromatic scale for the response. Okay, so in the first part of the ending lick, you need to play any kind of phrase that's 1.5 bar long. And now chromatic scale. Okay, let me do it again without talking. And again, you can use so many phrases for your call. You can go bluesy, and again after that you always play the chromatic scale. All right, so now I hope this is helpful, and I think this is a cool way to use the chromatic scale anyway. And you can now work on your own, try to play the G chromatic scale 1 octave lower. Try to play the chromatic scale, the C chromatic scale. And as soon as you memorize the new scale, the fingering, try to apply it to an ending. And again, you play the call, you play some kind of lick for your call, and then response, chromatic scale. All right, let me know what you think about this, and in the comments, and let me also know if you've been using the chromatic scale in your breaks or solos. And again, leave a comment. And if you enjoyed this lesson, thank you, and give this lesson a like. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I've got more tips and lessons like this on my instructional channel over at True Fire. It's called Flatpicking Experience, and you can find the link in the description. So hope to see you inside my channel, and thanks again for watching. Ciao ciao.